Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of ads problem on the application of Netflix. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings, and above you can search about Netflix and you will enter. In the end you can click on first stop and you can enter to storage like this here. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.